Hello dear Libra, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. I am Vaishali and in this video I am going to read your cards for the month of June 2021. Okay. So while I shuffle my cards, I'm sorry for the disturbance, some noise disturbance is there from my next door. Okay, so while I shuffle my cards, I request you all, dear Libras, please do like and subscribe my channel, do share my videos also, and I would be very happy to hear from you all. If you can share your experiences, if you can share about my reading also in under the comments. Okay, thank you so much for doing that. Spirit and guides, please guide Libra for the month of June 2021. Please guide Libra for the month of June 2021. Okay, so Libra, I hope you all are doing safe in this pandemic, in the middle of this pandemic. Take good care of your health and your family members also. Alright, so I'm going to pull out 3 cards for you, dear Libra, here. Here comes the first. Then we have the second one. Okay. Third one. Okay. So so Libra, with these cards, what I'm feeling here is, there is an end of something. There is something in your life is coming to an end, and there is again a new beginning, probably in your job, because we have Knight of Wands here, so it can be mostly related to the work, and this end could be your business. It's not that business is ending, but maybe your style of business, or the way that you are doing your plans or your structuring, you see, these things, you might not, you now want to change them. So there is a kind of thing that is, there is something that is coming to end, and a job can be, from one function to another function, from one position to another position. So like, it's been, you have already done whatever you could do, and now this there is going to be a new beginning again. So there is going to be some good opportunity coming your way when it comes to work, dear Libra, for you. And it may also be like you may be finding some like-minded people in your workplace, right? And and impulse love can be is also on the cards here. And then we have devil also in our card, and this is where I am seeing probably this opportunity, or this new opportunity coming your way might be little, might make you little tiresome, might make you feel like you are being held up. I mean, you are there may be someone in the new place, there may be someone in your new task, or the at the workplace, where you find someone who is dominating, someone who is not allowing you to be yourself. So you find that you are being caged, your thoughts are being caged, and you're not allowed to work on or to the fullest. Okay, so and then you may think, what is this right, or should I accept these things here at the workplace or not? So these kind of things, these kind of, you might feel that you are struggling to unchain yourself from this, but still you have to be here, but still you have, probably you are committed, or probably because of your financial commitments also you find you may not be able to move out of it, or probably you may still think that there is a growth, right? And so this thing might happen, but what I suggest again, Libra, is you need to give some time, and then you will see over a period of time things will fall in place. At the same time, Libra, for few Libra, there may be chances of getting into intimate relationship at workplace. Okay, so this may not be a committed relationship if you are expecting of that sort, so probably don't think about it. So it's just a casual, or it's not it's uncommitted relationship, but it's going to be an intimate one. So so a lot of romance again. Okay, so this person will be from mostly related to your work or business, or you know, something, yeah, something related to your work. Okay, so it can be for either of you, Libra, for the male or female Libras. So this is what I am seeing here, getting into a relationship which may immediately take you into an intimate one. Okay, so this is what I am seeing here, Libra here. Okay, yeah, fine. So most of the time of this month you will be occupied with these thoughts, right? I'll pull out another card which is going to give you the guidance from the universe here. So I request universe to please guide Libra for the month of June 2021. Please guide Libra for the month of June 2021. Your universe, please guide Libra for the month of June 2021. So here I'm going to pull out one card here. Wow. So the card says, there is nothing sexier than my authentic truth. Oh wow, such a wonderful message for you, Libra. And yeah, I wish you good luck for this month. I see you again in the coming video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.